Hi, I'm Miss Sue from Enterprise Library, part of the Las Vegas Clark County Library District, and we're going to make a Mini Maker Ornament today. This is your finished product. Let's get started. You'll have all the supplies you need in the kit provided at Enterprise Library while supplies last. First, you'll need some yarn, pre-cut, but if you have a pair of scissors, that'll come in handy. Next, you'll need a couple popsicle sticks, which are also provided in the kit. Some pom-poms for added decoration, if you want to. And some type of adhesive, which will also be provided to adhere the pom-poms onto your finished product. All right, let's get started. Make a crisscross with the two popsicle sticks and use the first piece of yarn to tie them together so that you keep them in a crisscross shape. And that can be done any way you think is best, and it'll keep it stable. So right now I'm just going back and forth and looping it until I feel like the two popsicle sticks are secured. So at this point, if you have run out of yarn, or you can keep going, but we'll give you different colors of yarn in your kit, you can go ahead and, if you've run out, you can stop there, or you can cut it and move on to a different color. And how you're going to do that is you're just going to tie a quick knot. You're going to want to make this knot nice and neat. And how you can do that is either clip it or tuck it in if you do not have a pair of scissors handy. Because we do try to provide everything you could possibly need in the kit. And then proceed. Because you'll still kind of see the knot there, but it'll get covered as you move along. And then you see the variation in color. Let's move along a little bit faster now so you can kind of see where it's going. So I'm going to change my yarn one more time here. Clip that, change it to a nice bright yellow. Knot that. Make sure it's a nice clean knot. And what I mean by that is maybe clip it if you can so that it gets into the weave and you don't see that. So you don't even see the previous knot. It gets tucked under, so that's okay. And that's what I was mentioning before, that if you don't have scissors, you can try to still tuck it under, so it'll be okay. Because once you keep going, it'll kind of fix itself. Alright, mine's getting a little crooked because I wasn't being cognizant of keeping that shape, but that's okay. No big deal. Because we still get the shape of it, right? I do want to change out the color one more time, if that's okay with y'all. I'm going to clip it here and change it back to pink. I think will be cool. So depending on the kit you get, you might get different colors of yarn, and so that your fingers probably don't turn purple blue like mine, I'm gonna probably change those out for regular popsicle sticks. Okay, and then I'm gonna keep going. All right, let's say if we want to stop there, we can. You can keep going if you have enough yarn left. But if you wanted to get fancy, you can go ahead and just stop that there. Loop this into one of the back loops here to kind of tie it off. Anywhere you find that, you can lift up one of the previous yarns and just loop it. Loop it one more time and then tie it off. Tie it off. Let's say that's your finished piece. If you're happy with it, you can add some pom-poms if you like with, whoops, lost a pom-pom. This sticky material, you just stick it onto one of the pom-poms, and then you can stick it onto your piece. And then you can use an extra piece of yarn to go ahead and hang it where you'd like to hang it. I'm going to add one last one here. But you can get creative if you happen to have little like gems at home or beads, you can string that along as well. You can get as creative as you want with these. And that's it. That's your finished product. That was your other one, and then you can just tie a piece of yarn and hang it. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you another time for another program. Have a great day.